and gentlemen, this is Zach from Zach's Tree Service. He's helping us see the ground again down here at the homestead.
Yeah, that's a mess, that's for sure.
He said it's a mess, that means it's really a mess. But we seeing things we ain't seen in years.
Yeah.
But don't call him right now, because he's a very busy man.
Yeah.
He got all he can do.
God knows.
Y'all stay tuned for highlights.
So at least wait a couple months.
Yeah, give him a couple of months to get caught up.
Before you call him.
We got enough to keep him busy too, so. Peace out. And we're back.
Getting all that stuff cleaned up right there.
See, this is what's going on. We have 7 acres of land. A couple of acres will be used for farm use, and some of it's going to be yard. But a large part of it, as you see in the background, is just grown up. We can't even walk on it.
Got to get it cleaned up.
So Zach's back there cleaning it out for us. And then the yard will be huge.
And I like having a lot of space. I love space.
My daddy says one thing they'll never make more of, and that's land.
That's right. You got it. You better hold on to it.
So we are clearing the land that we got.
Yep.
If it's a tree, it'll stay. If it's brush or bushes, it's got to go.
Yep.
Anyway, y'all stay tuned for highlights. We'll do some before and afters, and peace out.
Hi.
Cause my arm giving out. I'm weak. Ain't got no body strength. Woo! You happy, baby?
Yes. Getting it done. We're getting it done.
It's gonna be the biggest yard you ever had.
And I'm gonna love every minute of it, every inch of it.
And I'm gonna put grass in all of it, so you gotta cut it. It's gonna take 3 days to cut the lawn.
That's all right. Gotta ride more.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I just sit up there, turn it on, and just drive.
Whatever. Y'all here talking all this mess, don't you?
How hard can it be?
Oh my goodness. Al Burton, I hope you heard this. You just said, how hard can it be?
How hard can it be sitting on a ride mower?
Mr. Al Burton, I think that's a challenge.
I ain't said about doing all the other stuff now. I said just sitting on it, just driving it while it's cutting.
Challenge. I think this is a challenge. Al Burton against Cheryl cutting grass. We gonna have to work that out so we get it on video.
He always trying to get me in trouble, see?
Let me tell you something. Retired life is great. This is a Saturday morning. This is what we doing. It's the opposite of watching grass grow. We watching brush be removed.
And it's fun. I like it.
And we're actually enjoying it. It's better than a movie.
You just see all that stuff just disappearing.
Stay tuned. Peace out.
Bye.
Well, as I say, if you're going from the main house down, before we built the one that exists there now, it was a little house that you can order your big chickens. Those that turn out to be hens, you keep those and let them grow to, and they eventually go to the house where they lay eggs.
So they lay eggs in the big hen house.
In the big house. If you look in there, you see they have little nests in there that the hens go and lay in that.
Where the chickens go when they leave the big hen house?
Well,
to the kitchen.
No, and it's keeping as long as you want to on that. They didn't have any special place to go.
They didn't go to dinner.
No, not all of it to dinner.
Oh, we seeing land we ain't seen since 1969. On the left over there, that's the big hen house. According to Daddy, they had a big hen house and a little hen house. Little hen house for the biddies. We ain't seen the big hen house since 1969. It is now 2021. We are loving this. This was Cheryl's suggestion. She found a guy who said he'd come clear it for us, and we getting it cleared.
That's a lot of work to be trying to do by yourself. We tried, and I was like, you know what? I'd rather pay somebody to come and do this and have it done in a few days than for us to spend months breaking our backs trying to do it. So that was how that started.
And plus it's springtime. We started, it was wintertime. I didn't mind going down there in the weeds and the woods.
Exactly.
And I cut me a footpath through there, but it's springtime now, and some things have probably awakened that I don't want to run into.
Exactly.
Either
let the machine take care of that.
Either crawling, slithering, or walking, whatever. I want to walk down there and not have to watch my feet.
That's right.
So we're gonna get it cleared out. Zach is the man. Y'all stay tuned for more highlights from Greenish Acres. Yeah, another China. There are Chinaberry trees everywhere. Look at that, boy, I tell you. Give me another clap, Cheryl. We are loving it. Y'all stay tuned, we out. We got other stuff to be doing.
No, we don't.
Yes, we don't?
I'm gonna put a chair right here. Watch the whole thing.
Peace out, y'all. I never could have done this.
No.
Soon we'll be able to see the small chicken coop. We ain't seen that since 1969. Y'all stay tuned. We out. There's a little hen house.
It's kind of a little building that before you, if you're coming up from the news saver, it's a little building. Young biddies in until they grew up to a certain size.
Well, that's still standing too.
It's still standing, okay.
we gaining some new yard up in here. This yard's about to be huge. I might get a play set and a sandbox. Sure. What else we gonna put out here in our big yard?
Huh?
What we gonna put in our big yard? I already said a play set and a sandbox.
Whatever we want to.
You know what we're gonna put in here first and foremost? We're gonna build a little building with some screens, and we're gonna put in a bar. A bar in the woods. That's right. Remember I told you today.
Maybe a hot tub, I don't know.
Yeah, put a hot tub and a bar.
Maybe a hot tub.
And a bar.
Yep, hot tub and a bar.
And a bar. With drinks. And we're gonna get something special for my brother. Gonna put some Millers out there for my brother. You know. Y'all, peace out. We just acting silly, killing time. Down here on the homestead, we ain't got nothing better to do right now. We've been doing chores all day. We've accomplished a lot outside and inside.
Yep.
We ain't even stopped to eat. We ain't even stopped to eat.
Nope.
We ain't stopped to eat.
But it's okay, it's fun though.
So you know what we're getting ready to do now, don't you?
What are we getting ready to do? Go
You
eat.
better go eat. Peace out.
Bye y'all.